from. And they're running to clear. Right, colors?
Connected, you know? This is where it's
well connected. Where look like?
this cookie there. Put it on the middle. Over here to the saltfish bar.
Well. Morning, good morning. Blessed morning here in Portland. And you can see it's raining. It's the raining morning. So as you can see, it's raining here. So we and Colors going to the river today. So today we're gonna be doing a video where we're literally gonna cook by the river. You know, so I'm giving you a morning look what it look like here in Portland. You know, them say where the boat land. So this is where we are now in the morning. As you can see, it's been raining all night. And what a wonderful nature vibes last night. It's been raining. You can literally hear the water beat and the oil stop and everything. Yeah man, so nature vibes, real vibes, you know. So it's a rainy morning. Raining here. Right now it's dewing. Not much of a heavy rain, so we're still gonna go to the river. So we're going to the river this morning, you know. So we're gonna do some cooking on the river. Okay, you know, Colors already when Colors are doing it. Hey, you see me, I say motor run water, you know. So that means when you're heating, you need no water to drink. You see me, because your mouth already moist. So yeah man, so this morning, so remember, blessings to all, Dream Team, one team. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night, anywhere you are right now around the world. So we thank you so much, right? Thank you for all the subscribers them, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. You know, and remember, while you're watching, put the thumbs up. Put the thumbs up, it ain't costing you, you know, and it ain't costing you to subscribe. So we thank you so much. Remember, please guys, thank you for all the returning subscribers as well too. So it's really a blessing. So good morning, waking up and seeing this, you know. Imagine waking up to these feelings, to the rain, you know. Just imagine waking up to this feeling. Just imagine waking up to this and the fresh air. Woo! So give thanks to the Almighty for this nature blessings, you know. So yes man, so stay tuned. Today we're heading towards the river. I don't know how deep it is or what type of river to expect. So there's so much river, so much beaches here in Portland. So we're going to explore, we're going to bring you all this wonderful content. So if you're watching and you're from Portland, you know, drop a comment so I know where you are, you know. Can give you some tips where we can go in Portland while we're here, you know, exploring our wonderful island Jamaica, you know. So remember, Dream Team, one team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
where everybody was like, "Dear, we need to go to Portland."
No, you're in Portland. You're the Portland.
That is it.
Now there with Poppy.
Yeah, that is it.
Poppy is your name?
Yeah.
Poppy.
Poppy cool.
Poppy. What a sweet name. Poppy.
Alright. So we're gonna grab some stuff. Gongad.
What is it? So that is it.
That is it. Yeah, grong. Anna Machia Mado. A glad she a glad out. Hey, Anna Machia Mado. Tell them, a glad she a glad out. Where do you see Gongad? A glad she a glad out. Saltfish and mackerel and she glad out. Hey.
Water, right?
Yeah, we're drinking water there, Gongad.
What do you think if we get all of these and put it in the car?
What's that?
Kiss. You want a kiss?
You want a kiss?
Just ask him, what do you think?
It's alright. Doesn't matter. Which brand is going on, sir?
It's a light spam.
It's nice.
Light, yeah, but they're more expensive than this.
It's 5.76.
What a kiss? What a kiss? Something.
Papi.
No?
That
Light span, 5 liter.
Light span, a beer water.
No, so you man. So cheap? So cheap?
No, me not think about
What
that.
is what?
Yeah, real.
I'm on something else did it, sir.
That's a lifespan 5 liters. That's not 5 liters.
Oh, for 1 and 5
For
liter
one.
one then, yeah.
Oh, for one.
This is the more expensive one. Yeah,
But
but
still, the
water.
case will help. What do you think?
They want it?
I left the card in the car. Thank you.
Hey, strong girl. Strong. Strong. Chef D. Today he is chefing. Chefing and he's working.
Let me tell my sheet.
Oh, sorry, before the 17th.
You're taking these in your hands?
Eh? Can I put them there? Oh, no.
Can Murphy, get that one.
Sure. Well, Dream Team one team, Dream Team one team. You know, to Key Life in Jamaica and we here. Color Smith TV, you know what the thing go.
Spring Garden. Yeah man, right where the river and the sea connect together, you know?
Yeah.
That is it.
So that is what's going on today. The river and the sea connect together. B,
Wow,
you
look
ready?
at this, guys. So this one passed me. When we were small girls, they were like, if you want your breast to grow bigger, you put these things and they grow big. But I didn't do that.
Yeah, you touch it, close them.
Yeah, when I was growing up, girls were like, if you want your
Don't
breast
touch
to
me,
be
don't
bigger,
touch me.
you just put them and they grow, they swell. But I never had a chance to do that.
You believe so?
That's what they said.
So what you say?
No, that's what it used to be. Alright guys, my name is D Mwango. I'm from Kenya, now here in Jamaica, and today we're having a good day here. So please check me out as well, D Mwango on YouTube, road to 400k. Please support me as well, and of course you know how we do it. If you're watching from my team, please support Kino Life in Jamaica, road to 50k.
50k.
We have colors over there.
That is it. Yes, take your time. Come on, blessings to Kino Life in Jamaica. D Mwango.
Big
Yeah,
up.
man. Right now we're just vibing, having a nice time.
Yes,
We're going to the river. He's gonna be the chef for today.
definitely.
So we're just gonna eat and enjoy the water.
And I'm the only loyal person who loves Jamaica. Every day I have something that has Jamaican flag. Jamaicans don't have anything. Ah, yeah.
On my feet.
We have the blood, man. We have it in the blood.
In the blood.
You have it in the blood. And my private jet is there. Waiting for me. Huh? Wow, this is beautiful. Jamaica is green. This is something that I didn't really see it coming. It's extremely green. Wow, surpassed my expectations. So come along with us, guys. Let's go. Taking over Kino's YouTube channel.
Yeah, man, take it over.
I take over?
Yeah, my hands are free now.
All right. Welcome to this beautiful spot that we're gonna be chilling today, crossing the river.
Definitely. So that was D Mwango all the way
Yes,
from
guys.
Kenya.
Now in Jamaica.
Now in Jamaica. Beautiful. Yeah, wonderful place. Yes, sir. That is it. So now we're gonna cross. We gonna cross the grass. Sax, what's going on there, Sax?
Sax is always a vibe.
What's going on there, Sax?
What's going
Wow.
on? You're right.
All fruits ripe.
And of course, guys, today is the big day. I'm here with
Take it over.
Papi, are we gonna swing?
YouTube. You guys always wanted us
You know,
to
swing.
do a collabo. So finally,
Swing man, boss a swing man.
please check him out. Subscribe to his
Okay,
channel. Road to
okay.
200k. The
That
link
is it, man. And
in
D's
the
gonna cook
description.
for us today, guys. D
That-
will be the chef. And we just gonna
UK?
enjoy.
Oh, London mate?
So check them all. The
Yeah.
links, I'll leave them in the description.
Stratton.
Okay, let's cross the river.
Stratton.
The other side.
Local. Up by Mitcham Lane. Peckham. Yeah, same place, my place, same way, man. You know, yeah. We always on Colaba Lane with Busha Yang and them, man. You know the thing goes. Big up, man, big up. We got UK in the building. You know the water here cool.
Oh, now I know why you sleep. It's very slippery.
No. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Almost have one more slip and slide. Papi cool, mine you know, Papi. Colors are going across the river. So this is where the river meet the sea. You see it? You see what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, you can. I'm saying. Alright.
Wonderful. This is. You know what happened? These stones are slippery. That's why sharks follow, because you know what, the stones are slippery. So this is where the river meet the sea. Come on guys, come on guys. Look at this. Look at this. Would you return home just for this alone? Just for this alone?
Put the camera in water, it will spoil like the other one.
No. Alright, so this is where the river runs all the way into the sea. This is where the river runs into the sea. So this is where it's coming from. And then it's running to there. Right, Colors?
Connected, you know? This is where.
Well connected, but they look like them at war, right? The sea I push it back and say, yo, go back to where it look. Go back where I come from. And the river say, you're mad. You can't hold me down. I run right in there. So look, the river and the sea are war. Watch it, the sea are shove it back to you. Come back. Go back where you come from. And the river say, yo, aim me and run down in your place, boy. And the sea say, yo, go back where you come from. No, this nature vibe is sweet, man, not lie. It's really live, really sweet. This nature vibe is sweet. I'm not even lying. It's so wonderful, we love the experience. So this is the sea, go all the way back. As you can see, we're surrounded by it. So imagine that, yeah, you have the river water now out, coming to the mountains, into the sea. What a wonderful experience. What a wonderful experience. That is it. I couldn't tell when I first come a while ago, I think I you that swimming now. Eh? Yeah, because you see the guy with the cane and thing now. I said, wait, they couldn't chuck off already? Couldn't. I remember guys also we say Kunte here. It's liquor at kitchen son, you know. I make all of the juice them. You name it. You know, it's too much in a name.
We have some ginger here to make, you know.
Yeah.
Ginger here, guys, you see me? Lime and ginger, a little bit of sugar. That we are gonna mix up today. You see it?
Yeah.
Easy and simple for you.
Yeah, so
stay tuned.
So remember, you know, to check out Liquor at Kitchen, you know, and that's she and her son Kunte. That's her son. You know, the link will be in the description. And me I tell you, this make me don't want to move from here. So imagine us lie down here so alone. Right here, so I don't have to move. We have the sea. Right over there on the border of the sea and the river. You see what I mean? I'm on the border right now, the sea and the river. This is the border for the sea and the river. Hey. Sea and the river. Oh, wonderful. So down here, so we are cook. So we are walking around the cooking spot. So we are cook. Yo, you see the river here? It's a mad piece of tide. Just a push away. You have to walk against it. Yo, look how fast I move. Jaja. I'm not lying. Great feelings, great experience. But I probably couldn't hear nothing because the amount of noise with the river and the sea collide together. So you can imagine that. Just imagine that. So over here is where Colors set up shop. This is where the shop set up. Right here, right here, right here, right here. So right now Colors set up shop. So we are planting. By the way, Adi is the chef today. He is the chef for today. Today. Be the chef? Be the
chef of the day.
The chef of the day.
Yes.
So what are you cooking today, Dee?
Aki and saltfish.
Dee is cooking aki and saltfish at the river. So Dee is cooking aki and saltfish at the riverside. Yes, so my hands are free up now. So you see you find a spot? This is a cooking spot. So this is Dee's kitchen.
Yes, by the riverside.
Dee's kitchen. This break the wood like you want to break it now, man.
Yeah, I want to break it.
So break it then.
Yeah.
Just hit it like you want. Split it then. Just break it, Dee. Come on, Dee.
Oops.
Oh, come on, Dee. You can do better than that. You can do better than that. Yeah. So we have the Kenyan chef here. You know, the thing go all the way from Kenya.
The
You know,
chef.
Dee Mwango.
Yeah, today I'll be cooking aki and saltfish.
Hey.
And my name is Dee.
Yes, guys. So look at this wonderful river right here.
So please check it out.
Wonderful river right here, boy. Yeah. Wonderful. So today now we park, you know, up here YouTube there we have liquor at kitchen, you know, we have Color Smith TV, we have Poppy Spear fishing, you know, today is the day. We have like Poppy Spear fishing, we have Color Smith TV,
Yeah, right, I know.
we have liquor at hey.
One rake to kind of brush up the place.
Fire stick.
Yes.
Yeah, let's
So guys, I must say, man, if you don't start watch liquor at kitchen yet, I wanna watch. You can't watch Key Life in Jamaica. You cannot watch Color Smith. You can't watch Dee and Poppy Spear fishing. You now watch liquor at kitchen. Jesus.
One love every time.
Every time, man. She is a loving soul. May I tell you the truth. You know, man, she made me some breakfast this morning there.
Yeah?
World best liquor.
What? The journey cake?
The journey. You hear about journey cake? I think I want cake though.
Journey cake and callaloo.
Journey cake and callaloo. So when you hear about journey cake, we're not talking about icing cake and a baked cake. A cake you fry
Yeah.
like dumpling.
Yeah, Johnny cake.
Johnny cake.
Surname Journey cake.
Okay, so
Yeah,
that's
surname. The Journey cake.
Yeah.
The Johnny cake and
Yeah.
the first name.
Okay.
Yeah, the last name and the Journey cake.
So it's Johnny Journey cake.
Right.
Okay. Miss Liquor. Oh Lord.
Journey
Yeah,
cake.
that is something there. Check it out, guys. You check out Liquor at kitchen. You know, as Natalie said, she got some great content with some cooking. The blue jars, the white blue jars, this jars. Tell them what something you have in the kitchen
We have
there.
blue jars. We have bulgur and peas. Yes. We have star fruit and saltfish. We have bulgur and banana porridge. Yeah. We have potato pudding. We have toto. Yes. Not
So
to
much.
mention the natural juice.
Boy, to
Hey.
the back.
Yeah, not to mention.
From Kunte himself with the natural juice and everything.
Yeah.
Today's gonna be a
And we
great
have the
vibe.
stew peas with the veggie chunks.
What?
Yeah, and we have the stew peas with the chicken foot and the fresh beef.
Oh.
and the cow skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
See there, so the one with the chicken foot and them thing, they meow no friend.
Yeah.
But you see the stew piece with the veggie chunk, me and your friend.
Yeah.
So liquor boy, me I tell you.
And the sufumba, and the rundown with the red herring, turn roast breadfruit.
Hey.
Can't done.
Oh gosh, the motor run though.
Yeah.
Yeah, pure running motor right now. Miss
Yeah.
Liquor at kitchen.
And we have the sufumba rice. Rice that we call the sufumba rice and peas, but
Okay.
the sufumba the peas.
Okay, Susumba.
Yeah, cooked down with the coconut milk.
Yeah.
Mad.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
So you know see, if you don't miss all them content there, trust me, and I like me who cook mackerel and rice for who know. Hey, I like when me I cook the ghetto national dish, you know, the uptown dish, mackerel and rice. A bigger thing I go on here, so.
Sufumba and rice. Yeah.
So come check out Liquor at kitchen, no please, no man, Miss Liquor. Alright. So we can't wait for show them some of that on this program, yeah boy. Me I tell you. Dream team and team. So here there's a colours over here, so I go and sweep up. I go and get the place up and running. You know. So the man them create a boom. I Kunte. Tell of Kunte man, Kunte. All the way from Africa. This how them create the broom. There. The same name never fall short from his personality. Kunte. I like Papi Spear. Look on that, no man. The man create that all the way from Africa. See it there? This is how them do to Africa, right there? You grab the stick and make a broom.
But this is not a proper stick. We have proper sticks.
Whether that stick here works, Kunte make it work, the colours will make it work. We all making it work. Exactly. It. Only we can capture a piece of the land, because everyone we see in Portland, I want to capture, you know. Either we can capture it or it own already. Take piece. So the people them can just take what them want and see me in Jamaica and watch my face, man. Just take the land just so. Take the one left the what? Take the what and left the what? What shatters? And the man say take the what and left the what? Water here well clear, as you can see, clean, pretty. Pretty, man, I like. Wait till when I joke in this. Right as I'm chuck off spot. Right in a that. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. What a nature. What a nature.
Murphy, check you, Murphy.
Check. Check, it's another one. Check, it's another one. Why am I keep the place clear? Hey, check, it's another one.
Cleaning time.
Where's my broom?
You pick. You can as well pick with your hands.
I create a broom like you. Where's my broom?
You can just pick.
I create one. You're gonna make out and create broom, right? Alright, your broom, maybe. The best broom is this broom.
I'm your camera girl.
Yes, the camera, right? Watch it. Great. Try to make this work. Try to do something. Can't send me a ringtone man up at it. You know? Say ask him today. Have to. Ask
Swimming is a must.
It's a must. And if me a drown D there, you can save me.
Definitely.
Kenya swim champion, you know.
That is it. So true.
Last time me a drown a D, you save me. So she can tell me from now, just in case I'm going to jump in and me have to drown. How deep the water is. Well, we never run it. No, so colors never run it either. I tell you, easily. Yes, I have to go test it. You ready? Yeah. What's that test?
Yes, sir.
Hey. You can stand? You can stand? You're not standing? Kino, you can't stand? Go there, let me see.
You cannot stand.
There.
You cannot stand.
Oh, that's all I need. I don't need to stand.
I got the jacket in the car for you if you want it.
Of course. For you, me, I'm not a baby with baby jackets.
I have a live jacket. You can't stand deep here.
Kino, you go to the gym? Body girls. Body girls.
Play football.
You play football.
Yeah.
So for all the crashers watching Kino, he plays football. He's a footballer.
Hey. Hey. But here what? It's just right there so deep. It's right in there so deep. But I guess these places are deep as well. Yeah. Nice. It's the Kenya style.
You have to go forward the plant.
I'm French right there.
I want that another wood.
Yeah.
I will.
Of course. Don't try right now.
Live. Pimenta wood, right? Pimenta. Here on the fireside.
What? What are we do it wrong all along?
Yeah.
We do it all wrong all along.
That's what they do it in Kenya, right?
How to carry it?
Yeah.
That's the right way.
No, actually, like for me, I'm not even a professional. There are people who don't even hold anywhere. They just walk.
Alright, what then? What now do you walk?
If it falls down, you guys, you are in for it.
Yeah. Hey. Look.
Okay. We need to get ready with the
Okay.
so that you can have a lot of time to swim.
Hey.
Sax, what go on? All is well?
You already taught me how to swim.
Sax, quiet.
Back to carry a pot on the head is amazing. Like this.
So we have a two.
Yeah, let me catch it.
I like her spirit. She like to try, you know.
Yes.
I really like her spirit. She really like to try. She won't say no to nothing. She won't say no to nothing. She won't say no to nothing.
Work on it.
We need a box. We need a box to
Oh, Murphy. Oh, Murphy.
Bobby, yeah, work on it.
I think
Want
that
a
box
box?
is too big. We can tear it.
You can use this bag. You want?
Let me know about the plate, man.
Or the plate, yeah.
Oh, the plate. Oh wow.
Hey. Cody.
Alright.
Up here, I put you say never out again. Yeah, farm girl. Miss Liquor at kitchen. I go and watch what in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
A D in there.
She had
A
catch
D
the fire.
one go in there.
In there catching the fire.
Hey.
I know that one they go. Soon catching up, but
Why play? Not to rainfall pan them man cool.
So the one use coconut oil, vegetable oil to catch wood fire.
Murphy, come here.
Don't try this at home, yeah?
It's so catching.
Don't try this at home. So there's the hacky and the okra and our fried and our plantain over there, our pots, our spoon, our fork and everything else right there. See guys, the water is banana water, nice, cool but nice.
And with me here, if you're wondering who I am with, give yourself a shout out to my people who are watching. Stop. Just video.
Well, the fire moves stubborn.
Wondering who is helping me do this.
Great, yeah.
Her name is, give yourself a shout out.
And the whole night rain and fast till last night, you know.
Out kitchen.
Oh, nice. That's your rain hands then.
Yes.
Madams.
That is it.
Yeah, so we out here doing active.
Yeah, and salt.
Madams, them are run them are run out.
French fry. We're going to be French fry ripe plantain.
What? French fry what?
Fry.
You don't want the French fry ripe plantain.
Hacky and saltfish.
Boy, you learn something new
That is it.
with Liquor at kitchen.
Come closer, please.
And the escobbeach saltfish. Couldn't hear the menu, the escobbeach saltfish with guava.
My heart is still racing.
They're going viral.
My heart is still racing.
I don't want to.
Because I saw it's black, so what was in my mind is like a big lizard on my neck.
Right, the one that gone viral. We never catch that one there, but the rest of the camera then catch it. That gone viral. So we have B and we have Litter.
Here we go.
Miss Litter at kitchen, making it work. So we say we're gonna make the
French fry ripe plantain.
French fry. I first meet that one there. Cause normally people French fry chicken.
Yeah, well,
Some of them can French fry.
Some of the plantain. Show you. Yeah.
You see, I'm telling you, if you're not watching liquor, you're not watching nothing, you know.
Excuse me, please. Come closer here
Come here,
so
sir.
that they can see what is on the.
Plus, I never know about that one, man. The French fry plant, man. You hear about that already?
Yeah, well, that one I just make pan spot by Miss Lickly, you know. So.
Okay.
You know, out here we are all creative cookers.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but it's not bad.
It go after bad.
Yeah, man.
French fry and the escobbeach, saltfish and guava. Remember that one from yesterday? Me I tell you about it. Escobbeach, saltfish and guava. Watch your little cook up that one day. That evil storm no blow so hard. all the way from Kenya. Link up with Color Smith. Portland, the fire keep blazing. So as you can see, we are going with the lovely, lovely river over here. And we have a Ella over there start trying to catch some water. So guys, as you can see, water nice, water pretty, the water right. Hey, the man catch some water over there, so right over there. This place is a beauty, man, I lie. This place is magnifico. It's well magnifico. You know, the place is lovely, the place is lovely. So we take a walk out the kitchen. These are there, so don't run. Say hello. Hey. Dream team one. Hey, so wagwan lizard. Show about it again. Hey, wagwan. It's the lizard that talk to me, you know. He's not even running. Look right in the camera, lizard. And you just afraid of while ago, you know. This is a modern day lizard, yeah? In these modern times, lizard don't run from nobody no more. You see? Lizard don't run from nobody no more. Look, I come right which palm there. Right on my foot. Don't it, lizard? These days, lizard don't run from nothing. Yeah, so I'm going to take a walk out the kitchen to picture the beauty, the nature of this wonderful one. Papi, what do you say your name again? Papi, what do you say your name again? Spring Garden. Yeah, so Spring Garden. So we're here in Spring Garden, as you can see. But the water spring from out there, so and a spring going here, so you know, wonderful nature. Such a wonderful nature, guys. Look at this. So you don't have to take the seawater. So the seawater is warm. Warm, 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 warm. That was a big wave a while ago. Another big wave here coming. Yes, I will give thanks for this wonderful days, wonderful blessing. Guys, if you're watching, come on, please. Have you subscribed as yet? If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. You know. And if you're watching it, put the thumbs up. Remember to put the thumbs up. You know. Come on. Once you're watching, put the thumbs up. Some big wave are coming, so you can know that the sea is rough. The sea is rough. So we're in the rough cut band.
The milestone. Yeah, you can find some soft stone.
Happy. We roll. Alright guys, so time to cook the ackee itself.
We have callaloo in, but just because you want it to be enough like this, you know. Hello? Evening. 4-5. Yeah, man.
The knife.
First one of them, first one of them.
Coffee. Wow.
French fry or something.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, the next thing that you wanna do is to fry the plantain. Actually, Jamaicans love plantain so much. Not only Jamaicans, but also the western part of Africa, they have a lot of plantain. In the eastern parts, we do a lot of green bananas, you know. So just wanna peel them, cut them for frying, to eat along with the ackee and saltfish. There we go. Woo! Look at this. Little Jamaican. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's so funny? Like, it's so big. This is what defines Jamaica. If you know, you know. Hey, 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 hey. There. Now I see why everybody is running to Jamaica. There. Look at this. Another one. Another one. So big. So for one, actually goes for 150 Jamaican dollars for one. Eh, but this one is worth even for 300. So big. Huh? Here, please. Come closer. Let's go. From here, yeah. Plantain. The ripe one is my favorite. So, there are different methods of slicing them. All depends on what you want. Yeah, the shape. Well, I wish now I had my cows. I could give them this to feed on.
Pigs,
so now,
cows,
my favorite method is for me, I love cutting this.
And we
You
cut
love
like this.
slicing in the middle.
We cut like this.
On the side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Me, I'm choosing the big one. I go for the big ones.
So dear, I'm gonna get your pot on the fire for you.
All right, thank you, callers. You're the best.
The best.
Yeah. And put in the cooking oil to get it hot. So this is the best method, guys.
This one,
Currently, good
this one
shape.
for French fry.
For French fry.
Yes, because it's very soft.
Like that. You say this one, no?
Yeah, this sugar. Yeah, cut that.
All right.
Yes.
Plantain here, ready. All right. This one we're not cutting it because we're gonna use
That is it.
flour.
That is it. You know, life in Jamaica. In Jamaica, representing, you know, Kenya.
Then, Cola's already put in the cooking oil, so I'm just waiting it to heat. Then now I'll
Liquor? You're gonna French fry it or what?
The flour don't come.
We want to do the French fry planting, but we don't have any flour.
The flour don't come.
So how far the shot there from here?
Yes, next time.
Sure. That was what I was waiting for, you know.
I don't like the flour.
The French fry. So like if you not got French, you have to make the English fry.
Yeah.
So do French fry, we're gonna do English fry. Sorry, we could do the French fries color, so we're gonna do the English fry, right?
That is it.
English fry. No French fry, English fry.
That is it.
That is it. Isa, you take your time, you know. No French, English fry. So yeah. So we could get to the French fry. So we're gonna do English fry. You know, the French no speaking. So we'll deal with the English how we all speak, right? I'll just swim go shop and come back, you know, you say, Dicker.
Shut the fire.
That's
Shut the fire.
really.
The swim go shop. Swim, I say like a swim.
Oh, swim.
Swim go shop and
We're
come
swimming
back.
at the river or the sea.
Well, both of them, because both of them say meet up right now. So we have a boat over there today. So here in Portland with the boat land. So here Miss Liquor was gonna do the French fry. So guess what? The flour is not here. So through the flour is not here, we're gonna do the English fry. You know, English fry. No French fry today, so we're gonna do the English fry. Basically, no flour. Just deal with it, see me steady as it is right there, and keep everything ready. So the aki is boiled already.
Yeah. But honestly,
And ready. Just cover it back. Right there.
you just eat from nature.
The aisle getting hotter.
Food gives your food more flavor. Like it's just
French fry.
connected with nature. Just eating by the riverside.
Kunte.
I'm gonna juice mercy.
So you're ready for the start of the juice now. So Kunte have them limes and then ginger.
And I get them wash off and clean up and get them.
And make it work. So,
That is it.
eh?
That's it. We could have to buy ice.
Hey, the time cool today still, because we do no ice. No ice today. So Kunte brought 4 limes and 1 ginger.
I eat things.
It's a go work.
I do it.
Alright, so you know anything we Kunte touch, you know it a go work. You see the ginger
Murphy.
here. Murphy, very nice.
Time for the juice.
Yeah, man, I make some drinks.
Next time.
But we didn't buy any fruit.
Nah,
No,
man,
I'm just keep simple.
lemon, I do select a ginger here. Ginger and lime.
Things I keep it simple. Ginger and lime. You know as we do it in the river, wash out and catch out if you catch. Get the ginger, wash off. So normally people if you only have it just make lemonade with just lime and sugar, no you can add little ginger.
Ginger here. Let me get that style
So you
here.
call it ginger here. So yeah, so you come and Portland, come learn that one, yeah. And you can take it to Kingston with me. And you can just take it to Phone Kitchen, right? So get the ginger, get the lime, get the sugar.
Well sparkly clean.
Alright. So that is what's gonna happen now. Kunte. So okay, so we're here to your ginger.
How this guy is?
Yeah. So Kunte will grate the ginger, you know, in the jug with the lime and the sugar. So this is how it's gonna work today. We're gonna learn today. Blazing. See how the people would enjoy the river water and the water cold, man, I like. So this is how we do it now. Right to the ginger.
Yeah, man, Kunte making some juice.
Right to the ginger.
Smell the ginger flavor already, you know. Smell the ginger flavor already, you know.
Kicking.
Making some juice.
This is ginger aid. Not lemonade. Ginger aid. So in Jamaica normally we say yo lemonade, but this now changed. So the
Lemonade,
ginger action and the lime.
Booming.
And what? Lime.
Lime.
Listen to that.
That light, yeah. Light knife or boat. Hey.
No, I think we have drinking water there.
No, man, you will just wash it off.
No, I'm gonna wash it off. Yeah, there is a back of water then.
Yeah.
How much back of water is there?
I get about 4 back water, 5 back water.
4,
5.
5.
This is so good and healthy. Ginger and lime.
So while Kunte doing that, liquor. Let's say you test the pot.
Yeah.
Test it. For the English fry.
Yeah.
So liquor started out for the English fry.
If you try to save the pot hot,
Yeah,
so you know, so when it start getting brown, you know, say yeah.
it's there.
Pot hot for the English fry.
You know them always say have a way how if you know an oil hot, you smell the oil. You believe in that too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, look if it, yeah, smell the oil.
Smell it since I get brown. Well, I'm not like I miss the French fry, but I work with the English fries today and everything.
You know,
No.
so this get this
Too hot?
no planting can't go in.
Okay. So me I get the first one then.
Oh, it's ready.
So I'm gonna get the first one then.
Rolling.
Yeah.
So guys, here we go now with our plantain well chopped. Our fire is our cooking oil is ready. Now we just put it. Okay. Too heavy. No space.
Can put more. Can put more. Yeah, next one over there.
Let's find the gaps. You know where you see the gaps, then we'll drop it there.
Yeah, that's it. Can put one more.
Over there.
Up here?
Here.
No, in the corner.
Yeah.
You can take out the first one, right? Take out that one, B. The first one she went taste.
Okay. I need somewhere to put them.
Take out the first one.
Just can cut it one side. Not complete. Just touch it. Right.
And drop one at the spot. That is.
So I need to actually make sure my fire is blazing so that we move faster.
Right. Going to what go on now?
The drink's active already, you know.
Active. The ginger ale is active. Well mixed.
Ginger ale without ice.
Without ice. Them say Portland very cold, so chill. Ginger ale, well trained, well right. Hey, gingerade. We're not talking about no lemonade, no Kool-Aid. So this is what we use, the buffer water again. You know, we make the ginger with pure head. That is it. So that is ready. and waiting. You over here are struggling with the fire. What go on, Dee?
Wagwan. Welcome to the kitchen. So I'm frying the plantain, and I'm just trying to make sure the fire is well distributed so that the pot burns on all the sides.
The fire blaze enough, though.
But the pot is not hot all sides. Some sides it's cold. It's not. Okay, Kino, the turning.
Eh?
The turning process. So guys,
The fire?
So now we have another saga. The rain has start right now. Guys, Moses
rain,
here.
please go. I command you to go.
Yes, the rain is here.
To stay.
To stay or to go? So Miss Lickle said go.
No, the
To
rain
stay. But not like the rain last night did nice, you know?
yeah, it was the best.
I like when the rain fall at night.
When you are
Yes.
sleeping.
With a beat on the house top. You know how long when I hear that? The rain on beat on the house top. Miss Lickle and Dee in the kitchen making it work. Yeah, so drop them in there quick and fast. Pour them in there.
Boss one. Boss one.
It's too bad we're not getting the French fry planting, we're getting the English fry. Keep it the English way.
Coming downstairs.
The rain calm down still.
It's gone. I said rain go. Enough?
Try it, yeah.
This?
Yeah, eat it like that.
Will you come with that again? And if you have no get more butter, time to sit and pat down.
Okay guys, so finally here we are. So guys, finally here we are. We're done with the plantain. They look so good. So now I want to finish up with my ackee and salt. Please rate me out of 10. What do you think I deserve for the plantain? But they look so good. So rate me.
Kunte, rate her Kunte.
Kunte, rate me. 10 out of 10. Okay, sample.
Looks 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay.
And
See, taste and all.
taste you now.
You're gonna get 12 out of 12 out of.
Thank you.
You get extra mark.
Thank you.
Hey.
Now I need to get my pot from far. I'm looking for something to hold.
That's somebody got to throw that tile. Somebody needs to just throw that tile.
What are the pot?
Yeah, I'm putting pressure on the oxygen to that tile.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do what?
Throw away that tile.
I throw away?
You throw it away.
No. You want me to throw away?
Yes, you put fresh oil for the attic.
But we need to put it somewhere because it can be used again.
What you thought?
It's too hot.
What about a plate?
What plate? It'll melt.
Yeah, away.
So you throw.
Yeah, you have to throw it away.
Throw.
That is it. Okay, guys. Please roll. So on to the next round. Now it's time for us to cook the ackee and salt fish. That's what is next. So I add my onions and
So right now we have two different pots. We have a pot without salt fish. And over there say you have pot with salt fish. So two different ackee pots are going on right now. Miss Liquor Pot and D Pot. Miss Liquor Pot and D Pot right now. So over here you have D Pot with your salt fish. And over here you have Miss Liquor Pot. Vegetarian pot. No salt fish with salt fish. So which side you on? Are you on the right side or are you on the wrong side? I'm on the right side.
Take your pianta, see that? Yeah, I don't have to look at
So right
see
over
where we are
here,
putting on this.
the ackee. That one there.
That one?
Yeah. So two ackee same time. So we have sacks over here. This is a vegetable pot, vegetarian pot, ital pot. Oh, you cut up two okra just tonight. Oh, you can drop it to me, man. Come in, drop it. You can drop two in the same way. See it.
See where black pepper there? Where there?
The steam, man. Steam, cook it. You know, so okra can eat same as it is. Exactly. You never know that. Oh, so let me try to tell you. Okra can eat exactly as how it is. I need to cut up some okra as it is.
Oh, mash up the ackee. Can't eat right now. Can't throw in the saltfish now, dude.
I can throw in the salt
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah.
Okay, where's my
There.
even on this. So guys, the next thing, as you all see,
Look how beautiful this is.
onions and bell pepper is ready. So now
Put in at the belly.
fish. This is salt fish.
See this kunte? Put in at the belly. Over here to the saltfish pot. Over here, the pot. That is it. That is it. That is it. Sure, na ackee D.
Ackee and salt fish in the making. We add black pepper, just a little. That is it.
That is it. Check out the bad pot. Hey, vegetarian pot over here. No saltfish. This can't take off.
That's enough of paper, right?
That can't go about. Right. Ready.
Come closer, please. Here.
So this is
You better put a boil in, man.
see there. Liquor at kitchen. This one is no
That is the
starfish.
vegetarian ackee.
This is the vegetarian ackee, no starfish.
Organic.
This is it. Pretty in your belly. It's pretty in the belly. Yeah, guys, because I know I don't eat starfish, so you know a lot of them say, Kino, how come you don't eat starfish? I just don't eat starfish. So I don't eat starfish, so this is this. It's a 3, 6, 9, 10. Our 10? Count 10. Where's the colors? Grader, plantain fry.
One of them nice and colorful, right color. A 10 man.
10.
And you cook man, you know?
Well, couldn't take you at 12.
Yeah.
Tasted it, what do you say, colors?
10 out of 10 man. The taste and the look.
Just like me.
Nice.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, but Kino will definitely give me a 1. So.
I can't grade it because my wife will kill me. If I never married, I could have given a 10.
Okay.
Nobody tell them to give a 10.
Yeah.
That can take off. Take off.
Okay, guys, my ackee is ready. Try to I need something to
Check off.
Okay. This is the high-tide ackee.
So the cooking has been an amazing experience.
One kind of ackee.
Let's say you come out like brother Nancy.
Yes, man, come right over.
Can look.
So when you think about it, so when you occur in my one.
Riverside and now it's time for dinner. To cook, then shower, go home and sleep. So let me know what you think about my
Just I said now you cook.
out of 10. And I can't wait to
So right now you just graduate. So see there.
Here we go.
That is it.
And our
Right there.
plantain.
So
D, I give my ratings for the ackee.
Alright.
So just because you left out the tomato, I give a 9. But otherwise, you'll get a 10. You understand?
Yes. But you didn't tell me to buy the tomatoes, so you just wanted me to miss that 1. Yeah.
she's stinging up colors.
Hey.
She's stinging up.
Yeah, the smell, the aroma smells so good right now.
And now, mommy is serving Miss Little Hot Kitchen.
The plantain.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, my other spoon. You have it cut like.
It's a part.
Oh yeah. Okay. Serving time. Eating time.
Sure, 10 of us.
How many of us are we? 10? 10 or 12?
Good.
Mongo in the kitchen today.
Yes.
Chefing it up.
Yes.
Everything is lovely. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.